Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the Asphalt 9 gameplay test in this Dimensity 9000 processor in this OnePlus Nord 3 device. So let's play the Asphalt 9 game and let's find out how is the overall FPS going on in this Asphalt 9 gameplay in this Dimensity 9000 powerful processor. That's what this video is about, where I'll try to use the real-time FPS statistics to demonstrate the what's going on regarding the overall gameplay experience. And right now I'll try to use this Bluetooth controller which I got right now. So let me to use the Bluetooth controller and let's go. And in the display settings, let me to show you the what graphic settings I'm trying to use. Game settings and display. I selected the performance mode. As you can see friends, performance mode is selected. And now let me to go back and let me to start playing the match. And then we'll try to see how is the overall experience going on with the gameplay in this device. So we'll try to do the quick FPS drop test as well. I mean FPS testing. So now you should be able to see the real-time FPS statistics, how it's maintaining. As you can see friends, FPS maintaining about 60 FPS, 60 and 57 FPS it's maintaining, which is not bad. So it's maintaining about 57, 56 kind of FPS. So now I'm trying to use the gyroscope sensor at this moment. So it did maintain about close to 57, 58, 59, not bad. So meanwhile, signing off friends, is a quick Asphalt 9 gameplay experience in this Dimensity 9000 processor. Until next time for more updates, and signing off and bye.